Picture yourself in the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy the peaceful ride and peace of mind you get in this comfortable, safety-minded Tiguan. Its well-equipped, flexible cabin and driver assist tech add confidence to every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, power passenger seat. Set yourself up for no-stress success in this capable Tiguan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.